How to find the Walmart's promo code. Hey guys, let's jump into the video. First of all, go to any of your browser and search for Walmart promo code. Now you have to tap on the couponmania.com, which provides you with some of the verified and working promo codes. But make sure that you check the validity. Once you have checked the validity and its update, tap on get code to get the coupon code that you want. Once you get the promo code, you just have to copy it. Once you have copied, just go to visitstore.com. Once you go to it, it will take you to the walmart.com. Now while you redeem the products or once you check out, make sure to paste it. So that is up for today's video, by which you can get verified as well as working promo codes. For more such updated contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.